hope everyone is safe and doing well. If this is your first time stopping by, I want to say thank you. And if you're not a subscriber, now is the perfect time to hit that subscribe button and keep watching. On today, I want to share a few projects, and now I just want to turn my camera down and show you what I want to be working on today. So this is today's project. I got these wall lamps, and they are in a black color. But before we do that, let's just pull them out and see what they look like. These are wall brackets. LED wall lamp instructions. I have 2 lights, or 4 lights. These are little light poles. Anchors. This looks like a charger, a remote, some washers, and this is the light base. There's 2. Another charger, so there's another base in here, but this is the light base. So of course, you know I'm not a black girl, so I'm gonna change the color on this to what I like. I'm a gold girl, so I will be changing this to gold. So let's get them all out. Couple more anchors in here, and let me get my gilding wax. I have some gilding wax in the gold, and I have 2 different brushes. Now, I know I probably could spray paint it, but it have all of the intricate things, and I really don't want to get paint on anything, so I'm going to try the gilding wax first. So I have the paintbrush here. We're just going to put it on the brush and just started to paint it on and see what it looks like. For the edge of the light, I'm going to switch to the small contour brush, and I'm being careful not to get any of the gilding wax on the plastic part of the light. This is what it's looking like. We're gonna let it dry for a couple minutes and we'll come right back. It's been a couple minutes, and I wanna take my lights and I wanna twist and push into the light box. Along the grooves, I did add a little gilding wax just in case some of that shows through when I connect. I'm going to get both the lights connected. I'm going to go downstairs and we'll be ready to add the brackets to the wall. So here in the dining room, this is the space on the wall where I want to hang my light. This is the mounting plate. And I already have a hole here from where I took the other light down. And that's the hole we're going to work with. So I'm going to put the plate on the wall in that hole now. Because this is so heavy, they sent anchors and screws to hold the plate on the wall. So we're going to use at least one of the anchors in the hole that's already here. Sorry, the hole was already there. I'm too lazy to go get a hammer, so I just used the back side of the drill to knock it in. So with that said, I'm going to take one of the screws and screw the mounting plate into the wall. I'm checking to make sure my mounting plate is straight before I add the second screw to the bottom. So on this one, because this is a 100-year-old house and it's lasts like that chicken wire behind the wall, I can't get the anchor in, and so I'm gonna have to use a longer drywall screw, or I might have to move it. But let's use the longer screw first. So there's actually wood behind this plate, so I just put the drywall screw through. I'm gonna level it out here, and I'm gonna put another screw at the bottom. So in the back there's a little slit, and that little slit goes on these little mounting plates. And there you have it. Let's get them both on and we'll come back and see what they look like. I absolutely love how the gold turned out, and I love how they look on the wall. Remember guys, just because it's not in your color don't mean that you can't change it. This DIY changes the whole look. Now you see where they have the touch under the bottom where you can turn them on and off. The charging port is right next to it. And remember, they also came with the remote control. You can use the remote to turn them off and on. I like that I'm able to turn the tube at the top and the bottom in any direction that I like. And also the light and hole will do a full 360. Love, love, love this light. I want to shine mine more on my art, which is the metal flower. And this is what the room looks like without the light and then the light on again. Let me know what you think. And if you're watching and you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, make sure you hit that subscribe button. And don't forget to turn on that notification bell so you'll know when my next video comes out. I want to thank you all so much for tuning in today. Have a wonderful, wonderful day. God bless, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye-bye.